Dave's side hustle section depends on a live connection to Dave's services and its job partners, so it can disappear, load forever, or show a blank page even when the rest of the app works normally. By the end of this video, you'll know the fastest ways to find out whether the problem is on your phone, your account, or Dave's side. Start by closing the Dave app completely and opening it again. A fresh session forces the app to reload the side hustle section, instead of using temporary data that may have become corrupted. Next, check your internet connection. Switch from Wi-Fi to mobile data, or from mobile data to Wi-Fi, and try opening the side hustle tab again. If it loads on one network but not the other, the issue is likely related to your connection instead of the app. If the page still won't load, visit your device's app store, and make sure you're using the latest version of the Dave app. App updates often include fixes for sections that stop loading after previous releases. If you're already on the latest version, restart your phone. This clears temporary system issues that can interfere with apps connecting to online services. Now, sign out of your Dave account. If the option is available, then sign back in. Logging in again refreshes your account session and can resolve loading problems caused by expired authentication. Android users can also clear the Dave app cache through the phone settings. This removes temporary files without deleting your account. If clearing the cache doesn't help, uninstall the app and reinstall it from the official App Store to replace any damaged app files. If the side hustle page still refuses to load, the issue may be with Dave's servers, or with the third-party service that provides job listings. In that case, there isn't much you can fix from your device. Waiting and trying again later is often the correct solution. If only the side hustle section is affected while everything else in Dave works normally, that also points toward a service issue rather than a problem with your phone. If the problem continues after you've tried these steps, contact Dave support. Include your phone model, operating system version, app version, and a screenshot of the side hustle error or blank screen. That information makes it easier for the support team to identify the issue. To sum it up, restart the app, check your connection, update or reinstall Dave, refresh your login, and contact support if the side hustle section still won't load. If this video helped you fix the problem, leave a like, subscribe, and check out our other Dave troubleshooting guides.